Alright, so I've been sent these cabin filters to test out for the LDV G10. These are a two-piece unit compared to the one piece of the original, which I'll get to. Which is the compared to the one-piece unit, which looks like this, which is filthy. Bit of a difference there, you can see. Okay. Come in a sealed plastic bag. Tells you the direction of the airflow. Okay, so the layout on top, you can see it's a decent fit, similar type material, if not the same. Yeah, so difference is it's a two-piece. Let's pop it in. Make sure you get the airflow direction right. Straightforward. Now, if you are interested, the guy to buy it from is LDV Bits on eBay. So that's LDV BITS. Martin's a really good guy. 100% feedback, so you don't have to worry about anything there. Items are shipped within Australia, so you will get them pretty quick. Okay, so all the best.